Today I am going to share with you the best cashback apps for 2020. In addition to that, I am going to show you how to stack these to get the maximum cash back. And at the end of the video, I am going to show you a way to determine which one has the most amount of cash back for whatever kind of shopping you are doing. So let's get started. Hey everyone, this is Lauren Mack with Hacking the Rat Race, and I would love for you to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos on money, saving, and investing. So let's jump right in. Like I said, I am going to show you the best cashback apps in 2020. I am going to give you my favorite 5 cashback apps in 2020. I'm going to give them to you from my least favorite to my very favorite. And then I'm going to show you how to stack them so you can get the absolute most cash back. Lastly, I'm going to be giving you a bonus tip at the end of this video, which shows you which app is giving the most cash back at any given time. So let's get started. So the first one we are going to review today is the Ibotta app. So on Ibotta, the way you earn cash back is you go to their mobile app, you select the store you plan to shop, you select the deal or deals you're planning on purchasing, you go to the store, you buy the item, and you upload your receipt. So let's just use Bed Bath & Beyond for example. So let's say you're going to go buy some Snap Tupperware. So first you're going to go find the store, Bed Bath & Beyond. Then you're going to go find the deals for what you're purchasing. So let's just say Snap Tupperware. So you're going to go find that deal and you're going to see what the cashback is. Then you're going to buy that item, which means you can buy it in person or online. And then you're going to upload your receipt to Ibotta. The cashback amount you'll receive is the percentage stated on the website per the store. So for example, for the Snap Tupperware, let's just say it said you were getting 10% cash back. Then once you upload your receipt, you will get that 10% cash back. So it's going to be deal by deal and you'll just get the percentage of cash back stated on the website for that deal. So the payout terms and time frames, you can redeem your cash back once you've reached $20. You can get paid in gift cards, PayPal, or Venmo. And normally it takes about 24 to 48 hours for the cashback to be seen in the app after a purchase. So for example, for the Snap Tupperware, once you purchase it and you upload your receipt, it can take about 24 to 48 hours to see that cashback in your Ibotta app. Number 4 is Top Cashback. So for Top Cashback, you earn cashback by clicking on their website, going to the store, and then shopping like normal. So for example, with Bed Bath & Beyond, you would literally go to Top Cashback's website, find Bed Bath & Beyond, click on it, it would take you to the store and you would shop like normal. The second way you can get cash back is through coupon codes. So they just have coupon codes so you can just get discounts. And the third way is using their phone app and you still click through to the store like you did on their website. So for the example of Bed Bath & Beyond, you would just go on the phone, click through the store, and with Top Cashback, the cashback is store-wide. So for Ibotta, it was down to a deal like Snap Tupperware, something like that. Whereas Top Cashback, if it's Bed Bath & Beyond, let's just say it's 10%, you're going to get it store-wide. So you can just shop like normal and you'll get the 10% back for everything that you purchased. The cashback amount is going to be the percentage stated on the website per store. The payout terms and timeframes, you can request your payout at any time for any amount and you get paid via PayPal or ACH. The next one we are going to look at is Checkout 51. And I absolutely love Checkout 51, especially the ability to even stack more than the stacks that I'm going to tell you once I get through each one of these apps. So for Checkout 51, you earn cash back on their website or their mobile app. You find the coupon you want to use. Then you upload your receipt from offline or online shopping, and it can be used at any store where they sell the products. So Checkout 51 is more like online coupons than cash back at a big store. So maybe you're thinking about buying some Bounty paper towels at the grocery store. Well, you would go to Checkout 51 and you would look for Bounty paper towels. So with Checkout 51, since it is basically coupons instead of general cash back, you really want to make sure that you're getting the proper size, amount, brand, whatever the specifics are. So make sure you check them just like you would a coupon that you clipped out of a newspaper. So then once you do that, you basically say, okay, I'm going to buy this item. then you go to the store or online, it doesn't matter, purchase it, and you upload the receipt, and then it verifies, okay, this paper towel is with this coupon, and it gives you the cash back for it. So the payout terms and timeframes, you can redeem your cash back via check once you've reached $20, and they mail a check once requested, and it can take up to 48 hours for the cash back to be seen in the app after a purchase. So once the coupon's been applied, it can take about 48 hours to see the cash back in the app, and they send a check. The fact that they send a check and not electronic transfer is the reason that this falls on my list in number 3 and not higher on the list. So the next one we're going to look at is Swagbucks. And I absolutely love Swagbucks because you can get cash back in so many different ways. Let's check it out. With Swagbucks, you can earn cash back from stores on their website, like the other one before, where let's just say you are going to go to Bed Bath & Beyond. You just go to their website, you find Bed Bath & Beyond, you click through, and then you purchase the items. The next one is using the Swagbucks browser extension. This is just something you download. There's plenty of websites like say Pinterest, Ratuken, that we're gonna get to in a second, that have these, but basically it's just a browser extension. So whenever you go to a store, let's say you go to bedbathandbeyond.com and you start searching, well, if you have the browser extension, it recognizes, oh, this is Bed Bath & Beyond. It'll be like, hey, do you want this cash back? You accept the cash back. So it's just a little bit less manual work on your part, because as soon as you're shopping, if they have cash back, it'll alert you if you have the browser extension. And number 3, which I think is super awesome, is the Swagbuck website activities like watching videos, polls, signing up for offers, taking surveys. Literally, they have a ton of things you can do on there to get Swagbucks, which ultimately turns into cash back. So technically, you don't even have to spend money to get cash back on Swagbucks, which I think is pretty cool, and which is why it made number 2 on my list. So for the cashback amount, 1 Swagbuck equals 1 penny. So when you get 100 Swagbucks, you get $1. The payout terms and time frames, so you can request your payout in denominations that are $25, $50, $100, and $250. It can take about 14 days to process once you've requested your payout, and they pay out in cash, gift cards, or you can even donate it. I absolutely love Swagbucks, again, because it's a way to start making money fast. You can get cash back, you can use their browser extension, which makes it so much easier, and you can even get cash back without even having to spend any money. So that is why I love Swagbucks, and it is number 2. All right, so now for the number 1 best cashback app in 2020, it is Ratuken. I absolutely love Ratuken, so let's check it out. So for Ratuken, you earn cash back by stores on their websites, just like the other one. Go to their website, you find the store like Bed Bath & Beyond, you click through, and then you just shop as normal, and the cash back is for the entire store, not per product. The second one is using their Ratuken browser extension, which just like Swagbucks, you download it, it goes onto your browser, and then say if you're going to Bed Bath & Beyond, it'll alert you and say, hey, guess what? This is available for X amount of cash back, and you just say, yes, I want the cash back, you shop as normal, and then it applies it to your account. And the one thing that I absolutely love about Ratuken and why it is number 1 on my list is you can do offline purchases via a connected credit card. And the way that works is you go to Ratuken, when you sign up, you add your credit card to their system. So every time you use your credit card, let's just say you're out and about and you stop by Bed Bath & Beyond and you buy something there. So once you have your credit card signed up with Ratuken, it sees, oh, they made a purchase at Bed Bath & Beyond. There is a 10% cash back. Boom, they automatically apply it to your account. So literally just shopping with your credit card, doing nothing else, you can get cash back. I think that is so awesome because it literally is a no-brainer. It takes any effort completely off the table. You literally just shop as normal. If there's a cashback offer through Ratuken, they will automatically apply it to your account. So I think that is awesome. So the cashback amount, again, it's whatever the offer is for the store. For Ratuken, it's 2 to 40% generally. I mean, 40% cash back, that is a great deal. And especially if you're just using your credit card and it happens to be somewhere that they already have a 40% cash back. Imagine that, you're just shopping as usual, totally forgot you even had Ratuken, then you go check your account and boom, you have all this cash back just from the shopping that you're already doing. super awesome. So the payout terms and timeframes, payouts are paid quarterly, so February, May, August, and November. The minimum payout is $5.01, and it can take about 1 week to show up on your cashback account, and that's just the actual cashback offer. So if you buy something, say from Bed Bath & Beyond, and you got 10% off, it would take about a week to show up. The one thing I don't love about them compared to the others is the quarterly payouts versus being able to request it whenever you want. However, I believe this probably lowers their overall cost because they're just paying it all out at one time, 4 times a year. And for me, the fact that you can just hook up your credit card and start getting cash back without thinking about it overrides that for me. However, if you want to be able to get your cash back sooner than quarterly, then maybe Swagbucks or one of the other ones would be a better option. Now I'm going to tell you how to stack these. So the easiest and the most obvious way to stack them would just be using a cashback credit card when shopping, because you're still going to get, let's say, the 10% cash back, plus you're going to get the 1 to 5% cash back on your cashback card. And if you don't have a cashback credit card, I created a video, the top 5 best cashback cards in 2020. I will link to it above and in the show notes below, but definitely that gives you cash back on top of your cash back. Another way to stack these, which is what I love most about Checkout 51, is that you can use in-store coupons, purchase the item, and you still get the Checkout 51 coupon on top of that coupon. And actually, a lot of these, such as Ratuken, Swagbucks, if the store has a coupon, you can still use that coupon and still get your cash back. And if you're using a cashback card, you can even get extra cash back. Literally 3 ways to get cash back, which is super awesome. I mean, this can add up. Think about Ratuken. Even if you got 20, 40%, then you used a coupon that they were offering, plus you got 2% cash back. I mean, literally, you are getting the item probably close to 50% off retail with minimum effort. So that is why I get super excited about this. So as I promised in the beginning of this video, I am going to give you a bonus tip on how to maximize these cashback apps and know which one is giving the most cash back. This can be such a big deal because you don't have to choose one of these. You can literally use all of them because sometimes, say, Bed Bath & Beyond, sometimes maybe Ratuken has a better deal, sometimes Swagbucks. But guess what? You don't want to spend your time looking at who has the best deal and having to go through each of them. The point of this is we want to get our cash back as easy and simply as possible. So I would like to show you cashbackmonitor.com. And again, this is super easy to use, super awesome, and you can absolutely maximize even further your cash back. And so let's look at it right now. So we're going to go to cashbackmonitor.com, and here you're going to enter the store that you would like to shop for. So I've already looked at 1-800-Flowers, but if you wanted to do Bed Bath & Beyond, you would just put it here, and then you're going to click the search button, and then you're going to pull up whatever store. So again, it's almost Mother's Day. I just randomly picked 1-800-Flowers, but here is what you can see. You can see which companies are giving you cash back. So the first one we're going to look at here is Ratuken. So for Ratuken, they are giving you 20% off. But if you see right below that, you have Top Cash Back, and they are also giving you 20% off. So if they have the same, such as Ratuken and Top Cash Back, so maybe with Top Cash Back, you like the idea of having your payout sooner, then you could choose Top Cash Back. However, if you come over here and look at Swagbucks, it's only giving you 6%. So if you weren't using more than one of these, you say only use Swagbucks, then you would be missing out on a huge discount because on Ratuken and Top Cash Back, you get 20% off. Also, sometimes credit cards have deals. As you can see here, like the Chase Sapphire gives you 7 points per dollar as opposed to the normal 1 point that you would normally receive. So again, this is great because if you're using the cashback card like I spoke about earlier, or if you have a credit card like say the Chase Sapphire, then maybe you would use that so you would get 7 points instead of say 2% cash back. So it easily at a glance breaks it all down for you. So if you were thinking about buying flowers for your mother for Mother's Day, then you could literally come to cashbackmonitor.com, put in 1-800-Flowers, and you can see that you have 20% off Ratuken or Top Cash Back, and then you can decide, okay, which one would I prefer to use and use that. Also, if you just were wondering, I wonder what companies are giving cash back, because this can change, right? So for 1-800-Flowers, it can be 20% today and maybe only 10% tomorrow. So don't always just assume it's going to be the same. This keeps it updated, so I'd always come and check. But if you know, like maybe the company that you are wanting or you're interested in starts with a K, you can also look, and it gives some of the top ones such as Ratuken, Top Cashback. You can literally just scroll down, see the companies, how much they're offering. So you might be wondering with the 1-800-Flowers, like what are all these other companies? I didn't realize there were so many cashback. There are other cashback. I'm only giving you the top 5 that I personally love and use. However, some of these are not cashback. Some of these are just coupons. And again, if you see one on there, let's say it said 50% off, then click through, check it out, and try to get the 50% off. Again, you're not also limited to the 5 I offered you. I think they're just the most seamless, my favorite that I use. But if you look at cashbackmonitor.com, you can see for each store or whatever it is you're looking for, what is the best app or coupon to use for that store. So now I want to hear from you in the comments below. Which cashback app are you planning on using? Do you already use some? And is there a cashback app that you use that I did not mention that you absolutely love? If so, tell me about it in the comments below. I cannot wait to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. It literally costs nothing and it does so much for this channel, as well as pushes us out to other people who want to know what are the best cashback apps in 2020. And also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos on money, saving, and investing. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.